Hey y'all, it's your friend Jamie, and it's time to let the good times roll. That's right, it's Mardi Gras New Orleans style, Mardi Gras Louisiana style. Now, while the first Mardi Gras actually has its roots in medieval times, the first Mardi Gras celebrated in North America was done in Mobile, Alabama in about 1699 by French Canadian explorer named Pierre Le Moyne d'Iberville. D'Iberville's party celebrated by wearing masks and eating, and I guess eating is really the theme of Mardi Gras. Let's explore the theory or the theme of the king cake. My older daughters and I traveled to Tyler, Texas, near our home, in search of a perfect king cake. But first, we're going to stop at Starbucks and get a little sippy sip. Little go-go juice for us. It's early, y'all. 6:45 to get a king cake? Yep, here we go. Now, my older daughter, she made us crew t-shirts. We are Crew Gâteau de Roy, or the King Cake Crew, and we are in search of some good stuff. We went to the Great Harvest Bakery Cafe in Tyler. They are said to have the premier king cake of Tyler, Texas. So, y'all buckle up and get ready because this is some good stuff. I have a little screen grab here of some of their cakes. Oh my Lord, they are so good. They start at about $20 and go up to about $28, maybe more, but the ones we got were $28. Ooh, and if a big old cake is too much for you, have some king cake mocha, and they make small cinnamon roll size little personal king cakes. Ooh, anything you can imagine. They're all so good. I should have got a praline. I'm kicking myself. Should have got a praline. Well, then we went on to Longview because they sell the famous Lila's Bakery king cakes directly from Shreveport at this particular home center. So we drove over to Longview, about an hour away from our home, and this place was just amazing. They had everything. As soon as you step in, look, fudge. Woo! They had so many beautiful home decor, little displays and tea towels. Oh, these tea towels were so pretty. I mean, I would have wanted one of each. And I think that looked pretty in my dining room, my kitchen. Look, les bon temps brûlés. Let the good times roll.
Oh, that's the wrong one.
It's Carnival.
We don't have the crazy we paraded.
No. This one right here.
Come back with king cake. This one looked really good.
I like this one. For all the paperwork and stuff she carries.
Exactly.
You said.
Like, she literally has bags this big that she uses.
Well, I guess
on
with
top
like
of
her
her
job and
purses.
stuff. It matches.
Isn't it cute?
Always.
Miss Margie, we were talking about you, girl. Missed you on this trip.
This one's pecan praline and it's heavy.
I think we should do cinnamon,
Cinnamon's so basic.
but it's good.
Here, do this one.
What is this?
Bavarian.
No, but what is it?
Like a cream filled. All these are so.
Now, in northern Louisiana, Lila's Bakery is known for their king cakes. You can have them shipped to you or you can pick them up directly there. They are just pretty. The ones that we found at this particular store come with a pamphlet that tell you all about Mardi Gras and the celebrations and the king cakes and the colors and what they mean. We bought 2 king cakes in Tyler, 2 king cakes in Longview, and we decided to take them home and have a little taste test with our family, with the children and my husband and my son-in-law. These are so good. Oh my goodness, just mouth-watering. Because of current events, most crews have not been able to have a proper parade. But they do still celebrate. Look at these beautiful bead trees. Okay, y'all. you give me a second to do my intro, and then, well, come on. I feel like I'm, hey, I'm gonna put on a plate for you, okay?
Yeah. Quiet on the set?
Yeah.
Look. So
awkward.
this one
Okay.
has this. The other one.
Hi y'all, it's your friend Jamie, and we have been celebrating King Cake Day here at Smith Creek Ranch. We have gone to, let me get it straight now, Great Harvest Tyler, the Harvest Bread Company, where they have a master boulanger, or bread maker, patissier, who has studied in Lake Charles, Louisiana, on making the ultimate king cake. And our challenger to that, and we got double chocolate king cake and blueberry cream cheese king cake. Our challenger is Lila's Bakery, the famous bakery in Shreveport, Louisiana, and we have 2 of their king cakes, but they're only one flavor because, quite frankly, if you have Bavarian, you have it all. So we're going to taste test this one as well. I have my whole family, my whole crew, and so we're going to take a little poll, if you will. My daughter Miracle, she owns Coach's Vinyl. She made us these cute little shirts that say Crew Gâteau du Roi, which is crew of king cake. And we're going to put the babies in, and we'll tell you who won. Mad dog. I can smell the sugar. I haven't even opened it yet.
You're not going to see tonight. You can open this one?
Yes. Oh, they each come with their own little baby. Look, little baby.
Oh, these are going to be messy.
Girl, that looks delicious.
This one is
I like that one.
so good looking.
It looks delicious.
But they're messy. They are covered in sugar and they are sticky.
Don't smash.
Okay, this one has the crunchy sugar sprinkles on it. Not my favorite. However, it's Bavarian. And it's from Lila's in Shreveport.
Uh-oh.
They sell these at many locations in the surrounding Arklatex. It's what? You put it in from the bottom.
Dummy.
Hey, ladies.
Okay.
Okay, my bad.
Oh my goodness. There's sugar. Sugar.
Can I grab
Hey,
these?
Mama.
Yes. And you
Hey,
want a
put the
smaller
baby
piece?
right there.
Feel free to cut it. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty.
I got the baby.
What? First one, you got the baby.
What?
I was like, why is there ice? Because it was
I put
cold.
that baby in there and spun that cake around.
I wanted the pretty pink.
What?
I told you.
Okay, we have one.
Get that for the year.
Mom.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's good.
That's good.
Hey,
Is it everything we dreamed?
Ew, I don't like it.
You don't like that one?
No.
I think they were the same price. I believe
They were the exact same price.
King cake ain't cheap, y'all. They were $28 each.
I like the icing, but I don't like the cake.
Okay.
Yeah, the cake isn't just I remember.
It's not bad, I just don't really like it.
Okay. This is
I hope I get this
double
second
chocolate.
baby.
This one is blueberry cream cheese. And it's pretty.
Oh, I didn't get the second baby.
Haha. Haha. Oh, so they're salty now.
Look. Yeah. Okay, this one doesn't have the baby. Oh my goodness. Look at the color. That's beautiful. Oh
The
my
chocolate's
goodness.
good.
This is the blueberry cream cheese.
Yeah, you can try it.
Mm. Oh my god.
Should I try that one?
Mm.
Yeah, I just want
The
to
chocolate's good.
You gotta like blueberry, but
Oh, I don't
my.
like blueberry. Can I have the bready piece?
Try that.
I don't want the icing.
Just try that. Just try it. Oh, Kenneth, you've got to try this.
He's gonna love that.
Uh-huh. This is gonna be Kenny's favorite king cake right here.
Oh, that's good.
I don't like blueberry enough.
Okay, I'm gonna slice off just a sliver of this one. In here. Oh, the Bavarian and this one, it's just a thin sliver right around the inner core. That's kind of disappointing.
The only one I really like is the chocolate.
So I'm gonna say that if you're in Tyler, you should
I got a
really,
baby.
Oh, you got a baby. You should really go to the Great Harvest Bread Company in Tyler, Texas. You can pre-order. You can order online.
Look.
Sorry, we have a way where the cat hides the chocolate. The cat wants. I'm gonna try to double chocolate next.
Kenny, look.
Kenny,
First piece.
did you see that heifer did, Kenny?
I need to tell Lori about it. Like, hey, we're twins now.
He's just saying.
The chocolate's good, but I think the blueberry is my favorite.
Could you cut me a little piece of chocolate?
With that other part of my chocolate?
Today, we
I
are
want
eating
that one.
Okay.
There's a baby in it.
some cake.
Nobody screamed.
I
And
like
we
the icing better on that one.
So
I
that's
like that sprinkles better on that.
It's
I like that.
We
But
like
the
this
cake
one.
is better on these.
I like this one.
That one I think was the best.
I just don't like blueberry enough.
Yeah, me too.
I'm not a big, huge fan of blueberry, but if it was anything else, I mean, cinnamon, cream cheese,
You should
Cherry
have the
cheese.
strawberry one.
cherry cream cheese,
Or the pecan praline.
pecan praline cream cheese.
Or it's
Oh
just regular
my god! But hands down for me, it was the Great Harvest Bakery or Bread Company in Tyler. What did you
My
think?
favorite.
Hey, Mom. Have you tried my popcorn cake for my birthday?
We did try your Paw Patrol cake for your birthday.
Yeah.
Okay, Kenneth.
It's for my.
Look at this
It's for
beautiful
breakfast.
It's for
coloring.
Hey,
It's
Dad.
chocolate.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. I just tried the ice. I just tried these. Yeah, those are my favorite.
Now Lila's does sell king cakes year round.
So,
I don't know if Great Harvest does, but I know they have them year round and they have specific flavors. They
today,
have flavors of
we are
wheat
eating.
and they ship.
Tomorrow, we are going
I believe that the
I
Great
got these
Harvest,
two up.
they
Six,
their
It's
pâtissier, their baker,
And I don't mean that
Just came back
precious,
recently
but the best
from Lake Charles
It's
to
sweet.
learn where they learned the cheesecake,
Okay.
or not cheesecake, the king cake. And this is the first season that they've had them. I don't know if it'll be seasonal, but this is the first season they've had them.
So what
That
are
is double chocolate.
what are the point of king cakes? Like, what is it? Why is there a baby under it?
Right here. And I'll put a picture of this
Guys,
up so y'all can see it.
Dice.
It's to celebrate Fat Tuesday, isn't it?
Dice.
It's to celebrate the 12th night, which is the events from the birth of Christ to the crucifixion.
And then they have their Fat Tuesday where they eat all they want. They have the cake,
And then
they
Lent.
celebrate, and then Lent where they fast
Yes.
I put some
on
popcorn
Ash
cake.
Wednesday.
And then
Yeah,
it will
tell
end
me, Mom, when to go
at
pick up.
Easter.
That's right.
Yeah,
Oh,
tell
so
me
it's
it's
like
my
a Jesus
birthday.
It's a Jesus thing, yes.
With cake.
Yeah.
It's-
Even
it's-
better.
So is this baby?
It's a Roman
Yeah.
Catholic or
Yeah.
a Catholic thing. Or not Catholic.
I bet it probably is baby Jesus.
Is this baby?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the baby, if you get the baby, it signifies.
You have to throw the next king cake party.
I got money.
And also, you're supposed to have good fortune, good luck for the rest of the year.
Hey, Dad.
Oh yay!
But I think it means
I
we
know
asked
we
about the
Tomorrow's
next king
your
cake.
I'm
birthday.
down. The next 3.
Tomorrow's your birthday.
And Lila's Bakery does have the sampler king cake.
Oh, okay.
It's that size. It has a variety of slices that are about this wide, and you can get like every flavor.
Tomorrow, I'm gonna draw all up. So, hey Dad. Hey Dad.
What do you think, Hannah? Which one did you like the best?
This one.
You like the lilas.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Kenneth, which one did you like?
Mama, we are not. I don't make it too up.
Well, I think
And I don't make my
blueberry.
tiny birthday.
I know it's your favorite.
If you stuck around this long, I just want to say thank y'all for putting up with our loud, crazy bunch of kids, and family is oh so important to us. And thank y'all for celebrating with us. Remember, this is not sponsored content.
You match. Daddy, you match. Daddy, you match.
Can I try the double chocolate?
It's got a Bavarian custard in it.
Daddy, you match.
Look at the
Daddy,
vanilla custard on
Daddy,
that.
you match. Hey, Daddy, you match.
It's good.
You like the blueberry?
Hey, Daddy, you match.
More blueberry.
Nice. Your nose.
See? Yeah.
I'd like to try.
No baby.
I'd like to try that one.
This one?
Hey, guys.
No baby.
Aw.
Baby.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. Do you want me to not pet and my family to be like
Good stuff. I think we got each other milk out here.
I didn't think you'd like that one too much.
I didn't want to just spit facts at you, but it is so interesting to learn the history around Mardi Gras, the king cakes, and the beads, and the celebrations surrounding Lent and Easter. I encourage you to look these up and share these with your family. Mardi Gras parades have given way to Mardi Gras houses. Look at these beautiful homes decorated in the blue, or the green, the purple, and the yellow, or the gold. They are fascinating, just fascinating. If you don't want to stand with a big crowd of people, take a stroll. Well, it's your friend Jamie, and it's been so much fun, y'all. Please hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, and put a little love tap on that like button. And I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye, y'all. Happy Mardi Gras. Laissez bon temps relais.